Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. Did you complete your yesterday homework? Did you complete your yesterday homework? I hope you have completed. Children, listen. All of you sit one place and listen carefully. In the previous class, we have studied two-dimensional shapes. Is there no? Yes. The previous class, we have studied two-dimensional shapes. In this class, we are continuous to our previous class. Shall we recall the two-dimensional shapes? Shall we recall the two-dimensional shapes? Okay, all of you listen. First, two-dimensional shapes. TWO2 DIMENSIONAL dimensional. SHAPES shapes. Two-dimensional shapes. The short form of two-dimensional shape is 2D shapes. Okay, 2D shapes. SHAPES shapes. Okay, ma'am. The first two-dimensional shape is square. The first one two-dimensional shape is square. SQUARE square. Square means Saduram. Okay, mama. SQUARE square. Square means Saduram. Next two-dimensional shape is two-dimensional shape is rectangle. Okay. The next one two-dimensional shape is rectangle. Rectangle means Chevaham. Okay. Open your mouth and say the spelling for rectangle. 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 Okay. Rectangle means Chevaham. Okay, mama. Rectangle means Chevaham. Then see the third one. Circle. Okay. Circle. Circle means Vattam. Open your mouth and say the spelling for circle. 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 Circle means Vattam. Okay, mama. Vattam. Circle means Vattam. Then see the next one. Triangle. 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 Triangle means Mukkonam. Okay, mama. Triangle means Mukkonam. Open your mouth and say the spelling for triangle. 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 Then see the next one. Rhombus. 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 Rhombus means Sai Saduram. Okay, mama. Rhombus means Sai Saduram. All of you open your mouth and say the spelling for rhombus. Open your mouth and say RHOMBUS. Rhombus. Okay. Then see the next one. Next one, parallelogram. Next one, parallelogram. Okay. PARALLELOGRAM. Parallelogram. Parallelogram means Inegaram. Okay, mama. Parallelogram means Inegaram. Then see the next one. All of you open your mouth and say the spelling for parallelogram. 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 Then see the next one. Trapezium. 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 Trapezium means Sarivaham. Okay, mama. Trapezium means Sarivaham. Then Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Open your mouth and say the spelling for quadrilateral. 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 Quadrilateral means Narkaram. Okay, open your mouth and say another one time. Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Okay, Vama? Quadrilateral means Narkaram. Do you understand? Do you understand, children? Okay, very good. Now, we are continuous to our previous class. In this class, we have to learn about some shortens for 2D shapes. Okay, Vama? All of you listen. In this class, we are continuous to our previous class. Okay, Vama? This is fourth one heading. Fourth one heading 2D shapes. Okay, 2D SHAPES shapes. 2D shapes. This is fourth one heading. The fourth one heading is 2D shapes. First, use your scale to draw one line. Now we have to make a box. Okay, Vama? Then here also draw a straight line. Okay, the first column is shapes. SHAPES shapes. The first column is shapes. The second column is sides. SIDES sides. And the third column is vertices. VERTICES vertices. And the next column is diagonals. DIAGONALS diagonals. Shapes, sides, vertices and diagonals for 2D shapes. Okay, Vama? Then draw a straight line. Okay, now listen. The first one is square. 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 Do you know square? Yes. Use your scale to draw it beside the square. Okay. What is this? This is square. Okay, open your mouth and say the spelling for square. 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 Okay, Mama. Square has 4 equal sides. Square has 4 equal sides. EQUAL equal. SIDES sides. Square has 4 equal sides. Square has how many equal sides? It has 4 sides. Square has 4 sides and the 4 sides are equal. Okay, Mama? And the 4 sides are equal. Do you understand? Okay. Then vertices. How many vertices are there? Then vertices. How many vertices are there? 4 vertices. You write it here, 4 vertices. Okay, Mama, how many vertices? It has 4 vertices. Then diagonals. How many diagonals are there? 2 diagonals. In square, how many diagonals? 2 diagonals. Okay. Then square, square, square means Saduram. Square sides, it has 4 sides and 4 equal sides. It has 4 vertices and 2 diagonals. Okay, Mama. Then see the next one, rectangle. RECTANGLE, rectangle. RECTANGLE, rectangle. Rectangle means Chavaham. Okay, rectangle means Chavaham. Take a scale. On the beside you should draw rectangle. Okay, Mama? What is this? This is rectangle. Rectangle has how many sides? Rectangle has how many sides? It has 4 sides. It has 4 sides. Opposite sides are equal. OPPO SITE, opposite. SIDES, sides. ARER, EQUAL, equal. Opposite sides are equal. Rectangle means it has 4 sides and 4 opposite sides are equal. Okay, Mama? Then it has 4 vertices. How many vertices? It has 4 vertices. And how many diagonals? 2 diagonals. Okay, rectangle, it has 4 sides and the opposite sides are equal. Then 4 vertices and 2 diagonals. 4 vertices and 2 diagonals. Okay, Mama? Do you understand? Okay. Then see the next one, triangle. TRIANGLE, triangle. Okay, shall we draw triangle? Here on line, and we have to draw a slanting line. Okay, triangle, TRIANGLE, triangle. It has 3 sides. Triangle has 3 sides. Okay, Mama? Triangle ke itna pakka irukku? It has 3 sides and 3 vertices, 2 diagonals. Okay, Mama? Triangle has 3 sides. Triangle has 3 sides, 3 vertices and 2 diagonals. Okay, triangle has 3 sides, 3 vertices and 2 diagonals. Then see the next one. Then we have to see the next one. Circle. CIRCLE, circle. CIRCLE, circle. Circle means but Vattam. Okay, circle means Vattam. Circle has any sides? No, it has no sides, no vertices and no diagonals. Okay, Mama. Circle has no vertices, no sides and no diagonals. It has only one curved surface and a center point. Okay, Mama. Circle has only a curved surface and it has a center point. Okay, Mama. Do you understand? Do you understand, children? Okay, very good. Now all of you open your maths note. All of you open your maths note. Take new page. All of you open your maths note. Take new page and write this one. Okay, Mama? Take new page and write neatly. Okay? Here you should write class up. Okay? CW class up, and here you should write today's day and date. Beside you should write today's day and date. Write neatly. Sharp your pencil and write. Write neatly, sharp your pencil and write. Say and write 2D shapes. 2D shapes. S-H-A-P-E-S. Shapes. 2D shapes. Use a scale to draw a line. We have to convert 4 boxes. Okay, we have to make 4 boxes. The first box, shapes. S-H-A-P-E-S, shapes. Next box, sides. S-I-D-E-S, sides. Third box heading is vertices. Third box heading is vertices. V-E-R-T-I-C-E-S, vertices. And the fourth one is diagonals. D-I-A-G-O-N-A-L-S, diagonals. Shapes, sides, vertices, diagonals. First one, square. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. 4 equal sides. 4. E-Q-U-A-L, equal. S-I-D-E-S, sides. 4 equal sides. 4 equal sides. 4 vertices and 2 diagonals. 4 vertices, 2 diagonals. Then rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. 4 O-P-P-O-S-I-T-E, opposite. S-I-D-E-S, sides. A-R-E-R E-Q-U-A-L, equal. 4 opposite sides are equal. 4 vertices, 2 diagonals. Third one, triangle. triangle, triangle, triangle. It has 3 sides, 3 vertices, 3 sides, 3 vertices, 2 diagonals. Then circle, circle, circle. It has no sides, no vertices and no diagonals. Okay, Vama? All of you have written? All of you have written, children? Okay, very good. Now listen, close your note. Next we have to study the next topic. All of you listen, close your note. The next topic is drawing a circle. Okay, Vama? The next topic is drawing a circle using compass. Using compass. Do you know compass? A compass is a geometrical instrument. Okay. A compass is one of the geometrical instrument. Fifth one heading, drawing a circle. DRAWING, drawing a circle. CIRCLE, circle. DRAWING, drawing a circle. CIRCLE, circle. Okay, Mama? Now we are going to draw a circle using compass. Okay. A compass is a geometrical instrument which has 2 arms. Okay, a compass has 2 arms. One is a needle and the another one is a pencil holder. We use compass to draw circles. Okay, Mama? Compass la 2 arms irukum. One is needle. Okay, one is a needle and another one is a pencil holder. Pencil fix பண்றதுக்கான ஒரு place. Okay, we use compass to draw circle. Compass எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்றோம்? Circle draw பண்றதுக்காக என்ன பண்றோம்? Compass யூஸ் பண்றோம். Okay, Vama? Do you understand? This is compass. Okay, this is compass. Okay, Vama? What is this? What is this? This is compass. It has 2 arms. It has 2 arms. One is needle and another one is pencil holder. Okay, another one is pencil holder. Shall we hold the pencil? Take your compass. Keep your pencil like that. Then this height is okay, means you just tight the button. Okay, you just roll it here. Okay, you just roll this one. இது நம்ம roll பண்ணோம்னா இது என்ன செய்யும்? pencil அப்படி டைட்டா என்ன செய்யும்? பிடிச்சுக்கும். Okay, Vama? Then only we have to use to draw a circle easily. Okay, do you understand? It has 2 arms. It has 2 arms. One is needle and another one is pencil holder. Another one is pencil holder. We use compass to draw a circle. Okay, Vama? Now we have to draw a circle. How do we draw the circle? First of all, take a compass and fix the pencil in it. Okay, compass எடுத்து pencil அதில் fix பண்ணணும். Next, set the distance between 2 arms. Now you have to draw a 5 cm circle. Okay, Mama? Draw a circle of radius 5 cm. The first sum, DRAW, draw. DRAW, draw Here circle, circle, circle. Draw a circle. OF, RADIUS, radius. Draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Okay, Vama? Now, set the distance between two arms of the compass as 5 centimeter using a scale. Okay, listen. Take your scale. Take your scale and measure 5 centimeter. Okay, Vama? Take your scale and measure 5 centimeter. இப்போ வந்து நம்ம ஸ்கேலை பேஸ்மெண்ட்டாக வச்சு இதில் என்ன செய்ய போகிறோம், 5 centimeter அளவு எடுக்க போகிறோம். ஓகேவாம்மா? You keep it here 0, then here 5 centimeter, 5 here. Okay, 5. This is 5. Then this is 0. Okay, 0 to 5. This is 5 centimeter. 0 to 5. This is 5 centimeter. Use your scale to take 5 centimeter. Set the distance between two arms of the compass as 5 centimeter using a scale. Okay. Then fix firmly the needle of the compass on a point which is marked on the paper. Okay, you just mark one. Okay, here one center point. Okay, circle has center point. Yes or no? Circle has center point. Okay, fix firmly the needle of the compass on a point which is marked on the paper. இப்போ the needle here, this is needle, this is pencil holder. Yes, இந்த needle வந்து நம்ம என்ன செய்ய போகிறோம், இந்த center pointல வைக்க போகிறோம். Okay, you keep the needle on the center point. Okay வாமா? என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம், இந்த needle இந்த centerல என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம், fix பண்ண போகிறோம். Okay, we have to fix in the center of the marked place on the paper. Okay, do you understand? Okay Vama, do you understand? Fix firmly the needle of the compass on a point which is marked on the paper. Then move the pencil around it in any direction till you reach the starting point. Okay, எந்த பிளேஸில் இருந்துனாலும் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாம். ஆனால் நம்ம ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி லாஸ்ட்டில் எங்கே ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுமோ அதில் கொண்டு வந்து எண்டிங் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, do you understand? Shall we draw? Shall we draw it? Okay, listen. Keep here. Then start to draw a circle. Okay, start to draw a circle. Don't take the center point. Okay Vama? Center point விட்டு நம்ம என்ன செய்யக்கூடாது, காம்பஸை நகர்த்தவே கூடாது. சென்டர் பாயிண்ட்லேருந்து காம்பஸை என்ன செய்யக்கூடாது, நகர்த்தவே கூடாது. அதிலேயே வச்சுட்டு அப்படியே சுற்றி ட்ரா பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? திஸ் இஸ் 5 centimeter circle. This is 5 centimeter circle. Do you understand? First, என்ன பண்ணணும், take a compass and fix the pencil in it. Set the distance between two arms of the compass as 5 centimeter using a scale. Then fix firmly the needle of the compass on a point which is marked on the paper. Then move the pencil around it in any direction till you reach the starting point. Okay, do you understand? First we have to take a compass எடுத்து அதில் பென்சிலை கரெக்டாக நீடிலோட லென்த்தும் பென்சிலோட லென்த்தும் எப்படி இருக்கும், ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கணும். ஓகேவாம்மா? நீடிலோட லென்த்தும் பென்சிலோட லென்த்தும் எப்படி இருக்கும், ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும். இப்போ நீடில் பெருசாக இருக்குது, நீ பென்சிலை வந்து இவ்வளோ தான் வச்சுருக்க அப்படின்னா உன்னால் என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, சர்க்கிள் ட்ரா பண்ண முடியாது. சர்க்கிள் ட்ரா பண்ண முடியாது. இதே நீடில் கம்மியாக இருக்குது, கட்டையாக இருக்குது, உன்னோட பென்சில் வந்து லாங்காக இருக்குது அப்படின்னாலும் என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, சர்க்கிள் ட்ரா பண்ண முடியாது. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஃபிக்ஸ் த ஈக்குவல் லென்த். நீடிலும் பென்சில் ஹோல்டரோட நிப்பும் எப்படி இருக்கும், ஈக்குவல் லென்த்தாக இருக்கணும், சேம் லென்த்தாக இருக்கணும். ஓகேவாம்மா? தென் take your scale எடுத்து 5 cm. The first question is in 5 cm. Yes. Next we are asking another some centimeters. Then we have to take a scale. எந்த சென்டிமீட்டர் கேட்டிருக்காங்களோ அந்த சென்டிமீட்டருக்கு 0லேருந்து அளவு எடுத்து சென்டர் பாயிண்ட் மார்க் பண்ணி அதிலிருந்து சுற்றி என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம், ட்ரா பண்ண போகிறோம். Then we will get a circle. Okay. Do you understand? Very good. Now all of you open your note and write this one. Now all of you open your note and draw a circle of radius 5 cm. Draw a circle of radius 5 cm using a compass. Fifth one heading DRAWING, drawing a circle CIRCLE, circle, drawing a circle. First one DRAW, draw a circle CIRCLE, circle. OF RADIUS, radius. Draw a circle of radius 5 cm. 5 cm means centimeter. Okay, centimeter short form is cm. Then use your compass to draw a circle. Okay, Mama, do you understand? Shall we draw a next one? Very good. Take new page and write. Take new page and write second one. Okay, Mama? This is for second sum. Second one, DRAW, draw a CIRCLE, circle. OF RADIUS, radius 3.5 cm. Okay, Mama? The previous sum they are asking 5 cm, but now they are given 3.5 cm. Okay. Now listen. First of all, take a compass and fix the pencil. Then take your scale and set the distance between two arms of the compass as 3.5 cm using a scale. Okay, Mama? Keep it here 0. This is 3. Yes, this one is 3. Then we have to count this long line, one long line, 3 க்கு 4 க்கு நடுவுல ஒரு நீல கோடு இருக்காமா. This is 3.5. Okay, you have any confusion means you just count and take. Okay, 3 after 1 2 3 4 5. This is 5 years, so this is 3.5. 3 க்கு அப்புறம் இருக்க குட்டி குட்டி லைன் கவுண்ட் பண்ணி எதுல 5 வருதோ அதுல வச்சி then we have to fixed one center point, then 3.5 cm. Already we have taken. Yes, so you just put a circle. Okay, Mama? This is 3.5 cm. 3.5 cm. Do you understand? Draw a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. Do you understand? Very good. Then today's homework. Take new page and write today's homework. This one also you should write your class work. Okay. The second sum also class work. Draw a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. Draw a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. All of you have written. Take new page and write today's homework. Today's homework. Beside you should write height W homework. Height W homework. Here you should write today's day and date. Okay, Mama? DRAW. Draw. Here circle CIRCLE circle. OFF RADIUS radius 6 centimeter. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. DRAW. Draw a circle CIRCLE circle. OFF radius 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 6 centimeter. Okay, Rama? Then take new page and write one page, one sum. Okay, the first homework is draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Then take new page and write. Take new page and write DRAW. Draw a circle CIRCLE circle. OFF RADIUS radius 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter. The first one is 6 centimeter. This one is 4.5 centimeter. Do you understand? Do you understand, children? I hope you have understood. Next one, we will see the next class. Okay? Take care, children. Thank you. Bye.